Okay. Now what I'm going to let you do. Don't start that. Where are you? Here's that baby I was looking for the other day. Remember I told you
yeah,
steel?
you need a round steel.
That's going to keep that out in case we need it again.
Yep.
All right, let's see here. Richard, you tickle me, boy. See, it doesn't make any difference how we wallow this out. It's down here, it's going to start grabbing. Right. So this is not a problem. Get your screw. Where'd you do it? Find in that drawer of tools over there the locking pliers, the vice grips. I think that's where we're running into it, right? I don't know how this damn thing got bent so bad. But the problem is, see, to get it back to be concave, you got to have a nut on one side and a nut on the other. To wiggle this around. So it's getting pretty close now. Once we get this stuff squared away, we're going to paint them. Okay, clean them up and paint them so they're not going to rust.
Yeah, but rust is the new fad. You didn't know that, right?
All you got to do is look at the interstate and look at all of our guardrails.
Guardrails, yep.
It makes me sick every time I see them.
It's earth tones, Jack. We're in the famous workshop of Jack Gant,
I don't think it hurt you.
renowned carpenter and master metal manipulator.
Drywall screws with the washer.
Okay.
Make sure that these holes are big enough. And one of those little hex head bolts that we're going to tie it to the pole with. You remember?
Right.
Okay, one of them too.
Where'd you put them, Jack?
Oh, sorry, they're here. Too much moving parts.
Okay.
Ah, get in, you bastard.
Oh.
I know better than to do that.
I was going to say.
Communist. Okay. Hold it still there, because I got to pull. Piece of hot metal?
Yes.
Hey.
Ow! Whoa! Watch this. Oh, I can see it now.
It works. There you go. Let's leave it there. Here, come around here. Are you left-handed?
No, I'm right-handed on the hammer.
Okay. You want to do it this way first and go around that way?
Yeah.
Okay, just a second. Just a minute. You want to get it flush with the bottom.
Flush with the bottom.
Drive that sucker in there.
Okay.
Whoa. In there?
Right
No.
here.
You got it?
Yeah. Okay.
Ah.